Al Shots Global News in just 60 words. The image of China in Indian minds has evolved and changed over the past 7 decades. India has been perceived in many ways by many different audiences in China. At the risk of oversimplification, there have been 4 phases in which the image of both countries have changed and evolved. Phase 1 Bonhomie. The first phase lasted for a decade from the founding of the PRC in 1949 to 1959. During these years, India regarded China as a fellow Asian country that had emerged from imperial control and stood steady to craft a new future. Although the political systems of the two countries were rather different, many Indians, including the top political leadership, believed that the countries had lots of avenues for cooperations and learning. This honeymoon period came to a close in 1959 when the border dispute came to the fore and the Dalai Lama fled Lhasa, Tibet to take refuge in India. Phase 2 The conflict. Over the next 3 years, these tensions rose to a boil and culminated in the Sino-Indian War of October-November in 1962. During the same period, public and elite perceptions of China turned sharply negative. For many Indians who lived through the defeat of November 1962, Communist China came to be seen as an aggressive nature that sought to humiliate a democratic and non-aligned India. It took almost 3 decades for India-China relationship to recover. Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's visit to Beijing in 1989 and his meetings with Deng marked the beginning of a new phase. Phase 3 Cautious Admiration. The past 25 years have been marked by India's admiration for China's developmental accomplishments. India also has questions about what China's rise means for the international order and itself. Can the cooperative and competitive elements in the relationship coexist? Well, just when people and corporations were finally trying to come on a similar page, Phase 4 really changed the perception for all. Phase 4 India-China Border Standoff. Many officials quoted that thousands of Chinese troops have forced their way into the Galwan Valley in Ladakh in the disputed Kashmir region. Indian leaders and military strategists have clearly been left stunned. The reports say that in early May 2020, Chinese put up tents, dug trenches, and moved heavy equipment several kilometers inside what had been regarded by India as its own territory. The move came after India built a road several hundred kilometers long connecting to a high altitude forward airbase which is reactivated in 2008. China takes a different view, saying it's India which has changed the facts on the ground. While there has been no official explanation of what has changed there since May 5, there is enough information to conclude that this is the most serious such standoff India and China have seen in years. So what will really happen next? How is India and China going to negotiate their terms on borders? Well, let's hope that both countries can conclude the terms peacefully as the world is already fighting a battle against coronavirus pandemic. Follow Al Shots for updated bulletins and news around the world. Click on the bell icon to watch all Al Shots videos.